and welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Ipsy Plus. This is a beauty subscription, $25 a month. I am going to continue, sorry, my hair's in my mouth. I am going to continue to get this box. I do like this box, but as you guys probably know, I paused Ultimate and I no longer get the small bag. I haven't gotten that for a really long time. I will continue to get this for a while. I do like this box. Multiple giveaways going on. Jeffree Star mystery box giveaway linked down below. Also my next milestone giveaway linked down below. Let's get into Ipsy Plus. So I open it up, and this is what I'm seeing. Feel the love. You do get, I don't get. Did they seriously just stop giving the prices altogether? I don't understand why. Okay, so this does not make me happy. Okay, let's just get into the products. I am not I'm not going to be a person that goes online and looks up the prices for you. That's why I like the convenience of the cards that tell us what the products are. Anyway, let's just go ahead and get into this. The first thing I'm pulling out, this is kind of a cute packaging, sort of a dealio. I bet these are maybe brushes by Laurice. I've never heard of this brand. It looks like I'm just gonna have to rip it. Okay. Oh, they're individually wrapped, so that's cool too. All right. So I like the fact that they're individually wrapped. That way I can keep the brushes that I want to keep and give away the brushes that I want to give away. So most likely I would keep these 3 brushes, and then these 2 brushes would go into a giveaway. But those are really cool. I'm not going to take them out, but can you guys see the, well, here, I can take one of them that I'm keeping out. Can you see the ridging? I don't know if that's picking up properly. Yeah, there you go. You can kind of see how the ridging is. I don't know. It's very, I don't know. It's cool. I like it. And the handles are like rubbery too, so that's kind of cool. All right, I'm seeing a repeat product. I feel like I get this every single time. Okay, so it's this. This is what it looks like. This will be going into a giveaway. Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Ipsy is supposed to be no repeats, and I am constantly getting repeats. So let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is Il Makiage, and this is, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's a sleeping mask. I said that right. Okay, and this is in the color black. How original. Let's see. Is it an eyeliner? It is an eyeliner. What kind of eyeliner is it? It's an ink liner black. So it just looks like this. I'm not going to open it, but that will probably just be tossed in a giveaway. Ooh, this is super pretty packaging. It looks like a palette from Dominique Cosmetics. That feels really cool. It feels like it could possibly be snakeskin. Like, I mean, of course it's not, but it does have that feeling like snakeskin boots or whatever. That's kind of cool. All right, let's see. And then I open it up. Oh, and this feels the same. That's super cool. All right, and I open it up. Those are pretty. So these are the colors, and those are really pretty. I don't think I have anything that color of blue in my, well, it's like a blue purple. It's like a, what's the word I'm looking for? Periwinkle. That's the word I'm looking for. So that's a really pretty periwinkle. Let's see. And then there is the bag. It's just a cute little pink bag. And then the last thing I am pulling out is a tour mat. I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like, and it's by Bella and Argent. I haven't heard of that brand either, I don't think. Oh no, I have heard of this brand because I have a lipstick that has packaging like this. Either I do or I put it in a giveaway, but either way, I've gotten a lipstick like this before. I'm pretty sure the one that I got was red though, and that's just kind of like a brownie nude. So I will go ahead and toss that in a future giveaway. I like the magnetic. That's cool. Okay, all right, done playing with that. All right, you guys, so what do you guys think about Ipsy not putting the prices in the boxes? I have a problem with that. I don't like that. I mean, I always complained about it with the Ipsy Ultimate. That's one of the reasons I canceled Ipsy Ultimate, and now they're doing it with Ipsy Plus too. Not super stoked about that, but it wasn't a bad box. I'm keeping this palette, I'm keeping a couple of the brushes, and the rest of the stuff is going into the giveaway, or into a giveaway, a future giveaway. But I mean, it's okay. It's an okay box. I'm not mad at it. I'm not, well, no, I am kind of mad at it. I'm mad at it because it didn't put a thing in there. Anyway, done rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Have a great day. Bye.